I love this free sample by Mini Allo, and so does my son. So they are beautiful cards, like alloy card collections, and basically all you have to do is press them to go. As you can see here, you see them, and you see so many different cards. So they also have it in blue. Look at this one. They have it in red, and the second box is also full of different samples, different cars. So this is how they look. They're individually wrapped. I would say my toddler loves it, and if you want to give them as a toy, as a gift for your child, and putting them on a treasure chest, which is also a great idea, then definitely go for it. You won't regret it. Your children will love it.